Hey there guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here to talk about the newest addition from Huawei to the tablet market, the Huawei MatePad 11.5. Set to launch on July 20th in China, this tablet has already made waves in the global market. So without waiting anymore, let's dive right in. With its 120Hz screen refresh rate, this tablet offers fluid visuals that are bound to impress. The new Starlight Sand design perfectly complements the Cosmic Star Ring camera, making this tablet an absolute beauty to behold. Huawei has truly paid tribute to classic aesthetics with its symmetrical design while incorporating cutting-edge technology. And with an impressive 86% screen-to-body ratio, you will enjoy an immersive viewing experience. On the flip side, the tablet runs the Harmony OS out of the box. It uses 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip, which is pretty powerful, an 8MP selfie camera and a 13MP lens on the back, and a large 7700 mAh battery, all in a slim size of 6.85mm and only 499 grams. Now let's talk productivity. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 is a mobile productivity booster, especially for young professionals on the go. With the pre-installed Huawei Notes application, taking professional notes has never been easier. Packed with useful templates and personalized covers, this app seamlessly integrates with the agile Huawei M Pencil. Together, they make staying productive a breeze. The Huawei M Pencil boasts an imperceptible 2ms latency, capturing every stroke with precision. Need to switch between brush and eraser? Simply press the tip of the pencil. You can even transfer striking colors from a connected phone or PC screen on your tablet using color capture. Advanced features like Get Snippet and Annotate allows you to extract images and text effortlessly. It's productivity at its finest. Moreover, you can open multiple windows and work on multiple data sets, just like you would on a laptop or a desktop. The experience is further improved by the integration of keyboard and mouse, taking your productivity to another level. With optimized mouse selection, drag and drop operation and a faster and more accurate cursor, you will feel like you are working on a laptop. And thanks to its detachable keyboard, this tablet can be used independently or connected via Bluetooth. It's not all about work. We know you want to unwind and enjoy your favorite content. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 has got you covered. Its 120Hz full screen display with a 2.5K resolution and P3 color gamut ensures a breathtaking visual experience. Plus, it's TUV Rhineland low blue light and flicker free certified, so your eyes can relax while you immerse yourself in the entertainment. Moreover, there's something else worth mentioning. Get ready for an audio experience like no other. The MatePad 11.5 boasts a 4-channel high-amplitude 4-speaker audio system. This tablet delivers stunning immersive sound quality, plus Huawei's AI noise cancellation technology ensures crystal clear calls by filtering out unwanted background noise. So finally, coming to price, how much does this incredible tablet cost? The Huawei MatePad 11.5 is priced at around $325 when converted. Stay tuned for more updates on the launch event. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech update. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.